We are grilling up something delicious on this Friday because Caribbean is this weekend, but we're looking past this weekend to next weekend because it is TD JerkFest next weekend, and Nicole King is going to be doing some of the demonstrations at JerkFest, and she is going to be demonstrating for us how you make this fine jerk.
Is exactly what I'm going to be doing.
What's going on?
So JerkFest is happening next weekend. So not this coming weekend, but next weekend we got JerkFest that's going to be starting from Friday all the way to Sunday. And we are going to be, we're going to be underneath the demonstrator chef showing you guys how to make some of your favorite iconic Jamaican dishes. Okay. I'm very excited about it.
I get intimidated about making my own jerk.
You shouldn't though.
Shouldn't? No, because I just think there's a lot of ingredients. I can't make it as well as, let's say, somebody like you or some of the fine establishments that are making jerk around town.
Well, you know what we did? We simplified it. Okay. We know all the ingredients. We laid it all out, so we made it not as difficult.
Okay, you want to do it?
Let's do it.
Okay. What do we need here, Nicole?
So first I'm going to pop this open real quick.
Yep.
All right. So when it comes to jerk, there are some ingredients that are absolute must. Okay?
They are.
First, we got Scotch bonnet.
How hot we talking?
I'm telling you, we're on a level of 9.
I was just about to no.
I'm gonna do it with my hands, okay? Just.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Look at that. Huh? Yowzers. All right. Good.
Next, a very big spice that goes into it is called pimento. This gives you that smoky flavor that we all know and love about jerk, okay? So this is pimento. Yeah. That's the natural pimento. But we are actually going to use the ground up version instead.
Can you get the ground up version anywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Super simple, just grab it in the store.
What was it called again?
Pimento.
Pimento, okay.
Also known as allspice.
Allspice. Oh, okay, great. Okay, no, allspice.
Okay, then we got some garlic.
Garlic.
Okay, drop that in.
Yep.
Okay, and then we got some scallion.
Okay.
Also known as green onion.
Yep.
Right, drop that in too.
All those in there.
Perfect.
This is just the spice that we're making.
This is just the spice we're making right now, okay? A little sugar to balance out everything.
Yep.
You don't need much.
A little sugar.
Okay. Alrighty. And then we got some thyme. Now, I love me some Jamaican thyme. This.
Can I smell that?
Yeah, take a smell of this. Do you smell the?
Awesome.
I'm telling you, this makes it, okay? Got some thyme. We got some fresh ginger. Okay, just break that off.
Are you just breaking that off and tossing that in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, if you want, you can make it a little smaller, but for today,
we're just going to do that.
We're just drop it in.
Okay. For demonstration purposes, we got it because we're limited on time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to get this back on.
Get that back on there.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh.
That over there.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Okay, let's get that lid on there.
All right, get the lid on there.
Okay, because you already got some made.
I already got some made.
Right.
You know, and for time purpose.
If that's not working, that's fine.
I feel like I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all blended up, okay?
What do we got? Is that it there?
This is it right here. So there was also a few other spices that we didn't actually get to add into the one in the blender, which is some lime as well.
Can I just give that a little?
A little bit of vinegar, some salt, some pepper.
Oh, that's nice.
Right? Okay, now this is the fun thing.
I'm tasting the 9s.
Oh gosh, do you have water? Water!
I'm tasting the 9s. Okay,
little honey? Little honey?
Oh yeah?
Little honey.
Does that help?
I don't know. I think it would though.
We're going rogue. I got it. Here, let me open that. What do you got? What do you got in here?
We got some hamburgers that we're gonna actually quickly make as well, right? So these are some jerk burgers. Now, this is the best part about making jerk seasoning. You can literally add it to just about anything.
Right, to burgers, I always think chicken jerk.
Look at you got some chicken jerk over there.
Right.
We got some steak jerk over there. We got some shrimp. You could even put it on your veggies. Do not limit yourself, okay?
Is that a burger up there with some jerk on it?
That is some burger with some jerk on it, but you know what? Before we even get there, I'm gonna quickly just throw a pineapple on there for you, okay? You put a little sugar on that pineapple, get that caramelized.
Can we put the jerk sauce on the pineapple?
Yeah, put a little jerk sauce on that pineapple. There you go.
Okay, we're losing time here. We're losing time. Okay. We're losing time here. There we go.
All right.
Okay.
We got our burger.
Got our burger.
All right, let's do this. We're hustling.
We're hustling. Yeah.
Got that.
I'm throwing that on there.
Flip that.
So this is next weekend, Centennial Park.
Yes. And ooh. today's one of the.
We lost the pineapple.
We lost the pineapple, you guys.
We'll pick that up after the show.
We can get it after the show.
All good.
But yes.
Those little slits in the barbecue sometimes are just too big, and it just throw right in there.
All right, so.
Am I going there?
Yeah, you're gonna go in.
Okay.
And I'm gonna quickly tell you. So I am gonna be underneath the demonstrator chef, right? The demonstrator tent for JerkFest that is brought to you by DoorDash. And I'm telling you, it's going to be a very great time. And catch me and Chef Leon on the 11th. Oh, it's gonna be good. Saturday and Sunday, and the first 50 guests will get to taste our food.
I can tell you.
I know,
It
right?
tastes pretty darn good.
I'm telling you.
And that pineapple, a little bit later on, is going to be well done. It's going to be tasting pretty darn good, too.
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Chef Nicole, more money line on your Friday. Let's see if we can get that, baby. Oh, it's right down there.
I'm telling you, it's all the way down there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice and golden, though.
Look at that. You get down there.
It's gonna be
way down
golden.
there. Oh, yeah.